from Gotham Cigars, and it was a MVP travel humidor sampler from Gotham Cigars. Regular price, it was $99 for the MVP travel sample, $99.90, 61. And that was the total price here. So this thing regular price for $99. Crazy, right? But it includes these cigars here: a Black Dragon, Sympathy, Beauty, Crest, Beast, and a 5 cigar travel humidor. So it came in that box pretty well. Box kind of flimsy, but no big deal there. The deal we're getting, I'm not worried about it. It's wrapped up pretty decent. Let's look at the case first, because what I want to do is, supposed to be a travel case. Whomever doubles as a travels case, so that's good. So you look at it, it has, actually this is pretty cool. So actually the case is pretty nice here. And if you look at the case, there are clamps on the end of the case, which is pretty cool for a travel case. Pops right up. Clamp here. Clamp here. Pretty cool on the outside here. Take a look at it. You can get in close enough. It's 1877. No. 1887, sorry. Alright, cool. Open up the humidor. It is it's got the padding here, which is pretty cool. That's cool. It's got the piece here. I can actually see the crystals inside of it, which is pretty cool. It's gonna be soaking up all the moisture, keeping our cigars great. The first cigar, oh, that's pretty cool. Then we got a Beast. Then we got a Beauty. And we got a darkest cigar, Gurkha. And then we have the Crest. Should be a good one to smoke. So overall, it came with 5 different cigars there, right? I think it's the, which one is this? If you know which one it is, let me know. I'm trying to get a, here's the Black Dragon. It's gotta be Black Dragon. Comes with 5 cigars, okay, which is cool. All individually wrapped. And you get the humidor, which you can travel. And here's the thing, here's the kicker. I don't smoke cigars often, so this will be my one for the house. If I travel, I can take it with me, but overall, that's what I'm gonna keep my cigars in, period. They all wrapped here. It's got the insulation here as well. For the price I paid for it, the regular price $90, I think I might have paid $20 for it. I think I might have used a coupon or something. But the material is pretty good. The cigars alone are worth $20. I'll tell you that already. I looked them up each online. The Beast, the Crest, the Beauty, the Black Dragon, and the Sympathy. All worth the money. Pretty good, cool case. Cool emblem on top. Overall, easy, no-brainer. I guess I went on Groupon. If you're gonna pay full price on the Gotham Cigar site, is $97. I think on the site itself, it will, even on the Gotham site, it will say, hey, there's a coupon for this. Coupon's easy to sign up for, and you can still get the deal. It's overall a great deal. If you used Gotham before, let me know. Smoke Gotham cigarettes, let me know. And if you have any, if I see any other deals from Gotham, I will post them and below. And check out my other videos if you like what you just saw. Everybody take care, be safe, okay? Just Ron out.